you can learn everything you need to know about smartphone video by watching tutorials online. But the fact of the matter is, learning in person and in a group is way more fun. In Better Smartphone Video for Everyone, you have a chance to get your questions answered, to share moments of sheer creativity, and give and receive feedback from your peers in real time. You can't do that at the University of YouTube. You know what else you can't do on YouTube? Put your hands on gear. Yeah, we've got tons of smartphone add-ons and software for you to explore at no additional cost, and you'll have plenty of time to practice what you're learning in the moment. Did I mention I'm bringing a whole bunch of gear to the table? I'm making it super easy for you to try before you buy. We're going to cover everything you need to know about framing, composition, audio, and making the right connections so that all of your gear is working properly when you need it to. I'd love to tell you more about this course and how you can level up your smartphone video today. So comment on this post or head over to skills.onetinyproblem.com.